When people get sick, generally, we not necessarily only lose the love and affection of the person, and the ability to interact with them as an individual member of the family, but they also stop being contributing members to our society at large. We have seen some very, people who are very well endowed as far as their contribution to society is concerned. They may be doctors, nurses, teachers, carpenters, nurses, any walk of life, or even a person who may be working on a construction site. The fact is, by them getting ill, by them getting cancer, they are not able to contribute to society. They are not able to, for example, sometimes contribute to their family's well-being. It has enormous social impact overall. Not just to the individual, not just to the family, but also to the community and the nation at large. So it should be everybody's responsibility, everybody's duty to ensure that we all get concerned about it. In the same way, we should all get concerned about domestic violence. In the same way, we should all be concerned about NCDs. It is part of our society, it's part of our problem. It is not an issue only for those people whose family members have cancer. It could happen to any one of us. It can happen to, it may not be happening today, it could happen tomorrow. So it is a community-driven issue. And we'd like to, of course, acknowledge the work being done by the various companies who contributed to this drive, and of course the revamped Fiji Cancer Society, but also the people who are cancer sufferers, who have suffered from cancer, who have gone out, who are advocating about it, who are talking about the experiences. It's not an easy thing to do, to talk about your own health issue, to make it a public issue. So we'd like to thank them for that, and for sharing that, because it's only through the knowledge, it's only through sharing of information, we will in a way sort of, get rid of many of the fallacies. And I think one problem, as Inoke and the doctor highlighted, is that our inability to report these cases much earlier on, and the dependency on so-called traditional medicine. And sometimes, I have one of my staff, actually, who for a very long period of time, just dependent on, some herbs and all these type of things. But it's gone to such a stage now where it's become life-threatening. And those traditional, remedies have actually not worked. So I'm not saying not to do it at all, but the idea is to actually get consulted through traditional remedies, but also go and see mainstream doctors too, and see what's the best thing you can get out of it. So thank you very much for hosting this. As I said, I was here last night having dinner and going to this, but it is a pleasure to be here. But last time, unfortunately, I can't stay for your speech.
Oh, you have to.
But I have to leave. But thank you very much for the hard work. I would like to also acknowledge our team of doctors. Sometimes they're under very strenuous conditions, and we like to thank them for their time and contribution. So thank you very much all, and I wish you good morning. Good luck.